Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new Makita 5-inch orbital sander. This is from Home Depot. It is, as of today, so what is this? April 28th, 2020. It was $69 regular price at Home Depot and on their website. So we're going to be unboxing it and taking our first initial impressions at it. This is not the first Makita product I have, so I kind of understand what to expect from them, and hopefully I get that quality that I'm used to from their products. I have a Sawzall from them, and it'll eventually be on the list of things to cover and look at, but I kind of wanted to take a look at this. I was in the market for a DeWalt, but the price of them, I feel like you didn't get nearly as good of a bang of a buck out of the price for that as this. So this comes with a nice case to it. That's all that's in the box. The case says Makita on it. What else does it say on the outside? It just has the tag for it. So it has orbital sander, and that's pretty much everything on the outside of it. Pretty nice quality. It's a little bit on the kind of flimsier side of Blabota cases, but I think that it'll do just fine. The latches seem to be decently okay. Just initial impressions. Very stiff. I'm hoping they stay that way. And the hinges look to be just regular plastic hinges, which they'll work. They're not the best, the most beefy in the world, but they'll definitely do it for what you need it for. Alright, let's take a look on the inside. So open it up. We have the sander, and we have instructions. So we just have our warranty card and our owner's manual, and then we actually have the sander. So we have our dust collection, nice fabric with some plastic, pretty smooth plastic, some oil on it, and then a rubber, like a rubberized plastic housing on the top, so kind of an interesting design. And then a rubberized kind of area right here. I'd be interested to see if this actually gets dust stuck on its, I guess it doesn't really matter because it goes into the fitting on here anyways, but yeah, it seems like there'd be a lot of dust that get attached to that, but I'll definitely try it out as I go and put it in the comments or something and tell you guys what I think of it and kind of how it goes. For the sander itself, the cord, it's my nice theft tag on my cord. Overall, the cord doesn't look too bad. There's no grounding lug on it, of course, but it does seem to be pretty good. The strain release is pretty solid, tight to the cord, and it definitely does its job. It shoots it back to itself. Now this is not, you cannot select your speed on this this sander, but it supposedly is supposed to keep at its RPMs, and even if you're pressing on it, it's still supposed to keep at its RPMs, so we'll see how that works. It's not the top of the line, of course. It's only $70, but I felt like this is probably the best that you could get for the price. From what I read, this and the DeWalt seem to be the highest rated. So I just decided to get this one solely for the fact that it came with a case, which is nice. And I went to Lowe's first, and the Lowe's guys, it was like $85 or something like that for the DeWalt at that Lowe's. The same DeWalt at Home Depot was the same price, but they didn't have it in stock. And I looked at this one, and I definitely like this one. It is made in China, but if you can tell, it's assembled in the United States, which is nice. It'd be nice if it was made in the United States, but there's not really that many companies that have that going for them nowadays. But I mean, overall, just looking at it, first impressions of it, I think it's what you expect from a Makita product. It seems to be pretty stout. I'm a big guy. I got big hands, and you know the top of it is pretty good to grip if you're a bigger guy with bigger hands. And I think that overall, it seems to be really nicely made just from the feel of it. I'll be using it tomorrow, so I can link some of my initial thoughts in terms of my overall usage of it tomorrow. But just a kind of quick unboxing showing you what you get when you open it up and kind of the price range of it. I have seen these on sale before, but usually they are full priced at $69.99. And that's the price everywhere I look. So whether it be Amazon or Home Depot, wherever you buy it, that $69.99 seems to be the price for it. But yeah, overall, I like the design. I like the case. The case is very, very nice. It's definitely nice to have that, especially if you're storing in your garage somewhere, and hopefully it gives me, you know, good years of service. Let me know if you guys have any other questions on it. I can see if I can figure out the answers to those, whether it be through the instruction manual or through personal use. I'll see you guys next time, I guess.